guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a plan with me in my Franken planner. This is my happy planner, and I do have 6 sections currently in here. We are going to be doing the, third week of July. So we're going to be currently planning this week, which I am really late in planning this particular week, but it is because I had to evacuate last week. We evacuated last Friday for Hurricane Barry, which didn't do any damage in our area, so I'm very happy about that. But we did have to leave on last Friday, and so we're just kind of getting back settled. We got back on Monday, and so it took me a day or two to get back organized and get everything back together, and so I'm very late planning this week, but that's okay. So I don't have a full sticker kit from my shop for this week because, like I said, I had evacuated, so life happened, so I didn't get a chance to actually finish the sticker kit that I wanted to do for this particular week. So I pulled out my Happy Planner sticker books. I'm more than likely going to be mainly using the Color Story book, and then also leaning on Colorful Boxes, the Mom sticker book, and Squad Goals. I also have the old Colorful Boxes sticker book here because this is like one of my favorites and I use it in almost every spread. So I already pulled out the sheets, and let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm pretty sure for this spread I kind of want to do something colorful. I feel like I haven't done anything colorful in a while. The last spread that I did was like a pinkish type spread. Last week was my birthday, so I did kind of a pink spa theme. So I'm thinking I'm going to go rainbow theme for this particular spread. Now I'm just kind of putting down stickers. I don't really know exactly how I want this spread to completely flow yet. And this is just kind of how I do things. I'll just put down some random stickers, see kind of how I feel about, once I put down like 3 or 4, and then I will start to decide where I will put other things. Not sure if that all the way makes sense, but it's kind of how I do things. I'm just more of a random planner. I know some people they'll plan their sidebar and then they plan Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm kind of not like that. I'll just put down stickers as I think that they would look nice on the spread. And then I'll go back and add other stickers and start to actually plan. So I think that's going to be enough stickers from the Colorful Story sticker book, the Color Story sticker book. Now I'm going to pop open Colorful Boxes and see what colors I can use from here. So I never used to cut my stickers, but lately I have been getting into it. So I decided to cut this Be Kind sticker and kind of wash it against the line because I think that that's cute. Don't think I like her here. Uh-oh. Oof. Might have to keep her there because she is going to rip. So I'm gonna just keep her there because I don't want to rip it. And I think I'm gonna put one last girl here because that's cute. So I love to use colorful boxes in order to mark down all of my events and the different things, different places that I need to go. Or I'll use them to hit up a list. Like I know on Wednesday, I'm gonna write all the things that I needed to do here and then list them out. Even though I have already done them, like, cause it's Wednesday afternoon now. So I already know that all of the things that I did this morning, but I'm gonna add them anyway and then check them off because I just like to do that. Am I the only person that likes to back plan? I don't think so. I think every planner loves to back plan because then you get to mark off all the things that you've already done. And it makes it, you know, you feel even more accomplished. I think I'm going to cut this one too. And flush it here. And so I think this is all I'm gonna do for now. I'm probably gonna get a half sheet so that I can write down all the things that I need for my half sheet. And then I'm gonna start jotting down all the things that I've done and the things that are coming up for the rest of this week. And then if I need to come back and add more stickers, then I'll do that. So on my sidebar here, I'm gonna add all of the things that are coming up next week. I like to have a space for all of next week items so that when I'm planning, I, you know, can reference back to it. Now, everyone always asks me where I got this stencil from. This stencil is from Hobby Lobby, and it comes in like a pack of 2. And I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. You just have to be careful when you're doing, using this stencil on your sidebar because it doesn't line up with the lines that are on the planner. So I always have to like adjust it and move it down. However, when I'm using it on my actual spread, I can just use it because it spaces it out correctly. So we traveled back to New Orleans on Monday, and on Monday I just basically unpacked. I did laundry, and I also had to do my girls' hair because they missed their hair appointment. So I'm going to write that down here. I also washed my hair. So I get to put them all down and mark them off. It's so satisfying to mark everything off. And now I'm gonna go in with some stickers because I want to cover some of the white space here and the white space down here. Okay, I think I like this sticker that says be your own kind of beautiful. I was going to do another sticker. Do I like this? No, I think this is too much. So that's me telling myself to meal plan because while we were out, we ate a whole bunch of random junk food. So just marking that down to let myself know. So we ate junk food on Monday night, and I did meal plan so that the rest of the week wouldn't be cluttered with a whole bunch of junk. So now moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to write down all the things that happened that morning. I did end up going back to work. So I had a bunch of meetings and a bunch of other things kind of going on. So I'm just gonna write that down so that I remember what happened on this day. Oh, I forgot to mention that these stickers were from the Mom sticker book, just in case you were wondering. So on Tuesday, I did have a marketing meeting that morning that I did attend. I did work out with my husband and I added the details into my health planner. I like to always put that there because a lot of times I will work out and then I'll forget to add the details, and then I will always have to backtrack and try and remember. So this makes it easier for me if I just add it in as a list of the things that I need to do. Then we went to the grocery store and I had to go to the bank. I had to pick up my girls, and then I always like to keep track of my reading. I have been really into books lately. I've been doing a lot of reading. So I've kind of switched up my journal a little bit to kind of keep more details on my reading. And if y'all are interested in, I don't know if y'all are interested in like books like that, but let me know in the comments below. Like, let me know, are y'all interested in reading vlogs, reading material? Like, y'all want to know what I'm reading, that kind of thing? Definitely let me know. And then in this box, I'm just gonna add the meeting that I had that evening. So now on Wednesday, I'm just gonna jot down all the things that I had to do this particular morning. And one thing you can definitely notice about my planner is that I don't write in complete sentences when I write in my planner. More than likely it's going to be one word, and it's just that one word that will jog my memory just so that I know what I have to do. But I don't like to write down a whole bunch of different things. I just like to have that one word that jogs my memory. So that's what I'm doing here. So I know it always looks like, it looks like broken English almost, but I like to have my planner that way. Then that way it still looks very pretty to me while also being functional. So that is it for all the things that I have basically coming up until this point. This is everything that's going on tonight, and then everything for the rest of the week is what's coming up. So I'm just going to basically be putting in the preliminary of everything that I know is going to occur. And if you want to see the complete finished spread with all of my markings, you can definitely follow me on Instagram at The Organized Money, and you will see my finished spread there more than likely on Saturday. Okay, I think that is it for this spread for now. Of course, by the end of the week, all of this will be completely filled because that's usually how it happens. But I don't like to fill it out too much beforehand. I used to do that a lot, and then my weeks would change so much and I would not be, I wouldn't have room to adjust, or I would have to like white out basically the entire spread. So I don't like to do that now. I am gonna use a half sheet because I always like to use a half sheet for my spreads. And as of right now, I'll probably only put on there my brainstorming or my brain dump for all of my notes, and then all of the videos that I'm planning on posting, which of course my posting schedule was completely thrown off because like I said, it's Wednesday, and my plan with me is usually come out either on Sunday or a Monday. More than likely, it's always been a Sunday. So this week it will be completely different, but hopefully I can get back on track. And I can do some filming on Friday and get back on track with my videos. Okay, so I've left the top open for brain dump, which means these are just random tasks or anything that comes to mind that I want to jot down. I also use the back of this sheet for that. And down here, I just have the list of videos that I am planning on posting this particular week. Plan with me, which is the one that's going up right now today. And then on Friday, I am planning on doing a budget with me. So that is it for this spread. I really do love how this came out. It's very different from last week, but it's always different from when I use kits versus when I actually use Happy Planner stickers. And to be honest, I really love them all. I love just planning in general. And I can't wait to finish writing on this spread to see how everything comes out at the end of the week. But this is what it looks like so far. And then you can see what last week was very symmetric, very pink, very like airy. This week is very fun and colorful and bright. And I just love how, you know, things can change from week to week and you get a brand new slate every single week. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you will follow me over on Instagram. It's at The Organized Money. I do like to post stickers and a whole bunch of other planner type stuff over there along with money stuff. So make sure you follow me over there and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.